the key to the success of the Iraqi Kurds in the constitutional negotiations in Iraq in 2005 is that they were so well prepared. In fact, they put forward a program in 2004 which involved minimal powers to the central government, the federal government, a provision that said if it doesn't deal with one of those very limited powers, Kurdistan law is superior to Iraqi law. It included the right of the Kurdistan parliament to amend and cancel any Iraqi law within the Kurdistan region, and, of course, to maintain their own institutions, president, parliament, but also to have their own regional guards, meaning that they had their own military force. And they achieved this because they were so well prepared, or one major reason, and to be frank, the Shia majority was not well prepared, and as Kak Falah said, the Sunnis were absent.